Hi, this is Kenji, and welcome to another Joyful Tune-Ins. Today, we're going to do miracles. So let's take a deep breath, come into the now moment. Let go of the day, let go of your to-do list. Ground with the new earth. And keep the space above your head open and clear. All right, so let's take one deep breath, relax, come into focus in the here and now. Miracles. So, what are miracles? You know, it's been said that miracles are our natural expression. And when they do not occur, something has gone amiss. So think about your life. And think about all those times where miracles were present, but perhaps you did not recognize that energy and therefore resisted it and didn't allow it to come into your life and into your body. So if miracles are your natural expression from your soul, your I am, the miracles are everywhere and at any time, in any moment in your life. And all you need to do is call it in, embrace it, and feel it. So let's take a moment and let's remember a time in the past where perhaps you did not recognize the presence of miracles. And since we're in no time and no space, we can go back to that experience and bring it in simply by the power of breath. So take a deep breath, breathe in what feels like to you is the presence of miracles, the vibration, the frequency, the energy of miracles. And take it deep into the body, deep into your sacral chakra, deep into your solar plexus, deep into your heart, deep into the pineal gland. Breathe it in and allow it to become one with you. And instruct the body that it can now re-experience that frequency and vibration of miracles. And let it move through that whole energetic pattern of what you are remembering that perhaps you forgot. And let it move through that whole timeline, restructuring, reframing that experience so that now you can begin to physically manifest the power of miracles through your body and through your mind. So let this vibration continue throughout the rest of your day into your dream time tonight. And know that you are the miracle, and that miracle energy is always about you, within you, without. It moves through you like a river. So thank you for tuning in, and allow the miracles to happen naturally in your life without effort. So again, thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed week, a blessed month of miracles. Many blessings.